Hi, I'm Jed from GDK Veneering. Today we've had a mini set that's actually arrived with us, and I just want to talk you through some, probably if you've got a mini, this is how your wood may be if you haven't had it restored. So we've got a dashboard in. This is actually a left-hand drive. So this is a left-hand drive mini dash. You can see from how the colour is different there. So this is where the lacquer is coming off the veneer, and if you look all the way down, it's already started to chunk off. You can see it just lifting and breaking, and the reason why it's gone a different colour like that is, like I said, because the lacquer is leaving the veneer. And what this means is it's been damp, and then it's been hot, then damp, and you can see that it's just literally coming off in my hand. But what we're going to do is we've got to make all this match, so we're going to strip all the veneer off here, put nice new veneer on, and that will kind of look like this type of colour. You see that there? And like I say, left hand drive, and with this particular set you've got the binnacle as well, and that is in the same type of condition. See, all the lacquer's cracked, it's lifted, all the veneer's actually coming off like that, and that's the reason why the main dash has to be re-veneered so it matches this clock binnacle, because if you just did this, then it's not going to exactly, well, it'll be the same colour but not exactly match the dashboard. So it's always best, if you can and you can afford to have it done, is to have this done and the dash at the same time, so it all matches, it all follows on, it'll all be the same colour. But in this case, all of it has to be veneered, you can see there. And with this set we've also got a gear knob. Now the gear knob has had like a sticky back plastic on it, and what we're going to do is we're going to re-veneer all this to match the dashboard that we're going to veneer in, and that's that piece. And then of course we've got the steering wheel, where we're going to match the colour to whatever colour the dash comes out. We're going to stain all this, sand it all up, stain it so that this colour matches the dashboard. Anyway, I'm Jed from GDK Veneering. Thank you very much for watching. Please click like, share and tell your friends. Bye bye.